In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change custom profile URL. A clean, memorable profile link helps people find you quickly, improves professionalism, and makes your brand easier to share. Let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open your account and click your profile. On most platforms, your profile image or initials appear in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this opens a small menu with options related to your account. If you're on mobile, you might find the same menu behind a hamburger icon or at the bottom navigation bar. Next, choose View My Profile. This takes you to the public-facing page that other people see. It's useful to pause here for a second and confirm that the information and visuals match what you want others to find. You'll also typically find controls on this page that let you change how your profile appears. From here, click Edit Profile. This button or link often sits near your name, near a cover image, or in a settings panel on the page. When you enter edit mode, you'll see fields for details like display name, bio, and other contact information. Look for the field labeled custom URL, custom profile URL, or something similar. Click into that field and type the new link ending you want to use. Aim for something short, readable, and on brand. For example, your name or a simple variation. Avoid spaces and special characters. Hyphens are commonly allowed if you need separators. Because custom URLs must be unique, you may see an availability indicator. If your first choice is taken, try a concise alternative that still feels consistent. After entering your new custom URL, review it carefully for spelling. Some platforms save automatically, while others require you to confirm by selecting Save or Update. Follow any on-screen prompts and wait a moment for the change to take effect. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Many services limit how often you can change a custom URL, so choose one you'll keep for a while. Be aware that changing it can affect existing links you've shared. Once the new URL is active, open it in a fresh browser tab to make sure it loads correctly, and then update your link wherever you've posted it. Keep the format simple. Lowercase letters are easiest to read, and stay within any length or character rules shown on the page. That's it. You've successfully updated your custom profile URL and made your presence easier to find.